Chapter 2 Cellular Organelles Question Answers from Class 11 Subject Biotechnology. Exercises. Question 1. The fluid mosaic model has been proposed by answer D. Singer and Nicholson. Second, ribosomes are composed of answer B. rRNA and proteins. Third, tonoplast is answer C. A membrane covering the vacuoles. Question 4. Describe the various mechanisms of transport across plasma membrane with the help of labeled diagrams. Answer. Transport across the plasma membrane includes A. Passive transport, diffusion, movement of molecules from high to low concentration without energy, osmosis, diffusion of water across a semi-permeable membrane. B. Facilitated diffusion involves carrier proteins and channel proteins. Example, glucose transport using carrier proteins. No ATP required. C. Active transport. Movement against concentration gradient requires ATP. Example, sodium positive, potassium positive pump. D. Coupled transport. Symport. Both molecules move in same direction. Antiport. Molecules move in opposite directions. Uniport. Single molecule transport. Question 5. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. First, nucleolus. Fifth, rRNA synthesis. B. Mesosome. Sixth, membranous extensions of plasma membrane. C. Vacuoles. 7. Storage and structural support. D. Cristae. Second. Infoldings of inner mitochondrial membrane. E. Ribosomes. Third. Protein synthesis. F. Thylakoid. Eighth. Membranous sacs in chloroplast. G. Peroxisomes. First. Alcohol detoxification. H. Cisternae. Fourth, disc-shaped sacs in Golgi. So friends, you can match them accordingly. Now let's move forward. Question 6. What is the significance of the ratio of protein and lipids in membranes? How does varying the concentration of lipids in a membrane affect its function? Answer. The protein-lipid ratio affects the membrane's fluidity, permeability and functionality. High protein content increases activity like transport and signal transduction. More lipids provide structural stability. Variations in lipid concentration influence membrane dynamics such as fluidity and protein mobility. Question 7. State the importance of cell wall in prokaryotic cells. Answer. Provides shape and protection from mechanical stress and osmotic lysis. Made of peptidoglycan, it is rigid yet porous, helps in cell division and maintaining internal pressure, acts as a barrier against harmful substances. Question 8. A eukaryotic cell contains organelles which may be bound by a single membrane, double membrane or non-membrane bound organelles. Classify the various eukaryotic organelles into these three types. Answer. A. Single membrane bound, lysosomes, peroxisomes, vacuoles, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. B. Double membrane bound, mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus. C. Non-membrane bound, ribosomes, centrioles, nucleolus, cytoskeleton. Question 9. Mention the different types of vacuoles. Answer. Central vacuole in mature plant cells stores water, maintains turgor. Contractile vacuole in protists like amoeba for osmoregulation. Food vacuole engulfs and digests food in protists. Lytic vacuole contains enzymes for digestion. Protein storage vacuole PSV stores proteins in seeds. Question 10. Peroxisomes share similarities as well as differences with mitochondria and chloroplast. Comment. Answer. Similarities involved in metabolism, enclosed by membranes, self-replicate via fission. Differences. Peroxisomes single membrane, no DNA or ribosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast, double membrane, have own DNA and ribosomes, peroxisomes, detoxify, mitochondria, chloroplast, produce ATP or perform photosynthesis. Question 11. What are glyoxysomes? Where are these present? Mention their functions. Answer. Glyoxysomes are specialized peroxisomes found in fat storing tissues of germinating seeds. Functions. Convert fatty acids into sugars, participate in glyoxylate cycle and gluconeogenesis. Question 12. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Justify the statement. Answer. All organisms are made of cells. Cell performs essential life processes, respiration, protein synthesis, reproduction. Organelles carry out specialized functions. Thus, life depends on the structure and function of cells. Question 13. Distinguish between A. Cilia and flagella. Answer. Cilia short and numerous, flagella long and fewer. Cilia move with coordinated strokes, flagella move independently, whip-like. Cilia example paramecium, flagella example sperm cell. B. Primary and secondary cell wall. Primary cell wall thin and flexible, secondary cell wall thick and rigid. Primary cell wall formed during growth, secondary cell wall formed after growth stops. Primary cell wall mainly cellulose, secondary cell wall cellulose plus lignin. C. Lysosomes and vacuoles. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes, vacuoles store water, food waste. Lysosomes involved in autophagy, digestion, vacuoles maintain turgor support. Lysosomes found mostly in animal cells, vacuoles prominent in plant cells. D. Microtubules and actin filaments. Microtubules made of tubulin, actin filaments made of actin. Microtubules 25 nanometer thick, actin filaments 6 nanometer thick. Microtubules form spindle, cilia, flagella. Actin filaments support shape, aid in movement. E. Active and passive transport. Active transport requires energy ATP. Passive transport no energy needed. Active transport moves against concentration. Passive transport moves along concentration gradient. Active transport example sodium potassium pump. Passive transport example diffusion osmosis. So friends, we have completed all these question answers. From chapter 2, Cellular Organelles, we have already studied the short notes and summary of this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. You can support me with channel membership and super thanks. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.